Also, we found out today that there was a turtle near our trash can.
Turtle near the trash cans. What craziness. How many things are we going to get on this homestead?
I don't know.
We didn't even order the chicks.
Mm.
And we didn't order a turtle.
Nope.
And we didn't order the raspberries.
No.
What
The heck
is going on in this place? This is out of control. What do you say?
We can Break Free Homestead.
Break Free Homestead!
Break Free Homestead.
Break Free Homestead!
Break Free Homestead.
So on a couple spots on the homestead, we didn't even see them last year, but this year, these bushes are growing. What are they growing?
Raspberries.
Raspberries! Snozberries?
Not
Snozberries. We're getting snozberries on the homestead. Let's check it out.
Can I have one, Daddy?
Yeah, of course. Get a good one. Ooh, there's a snake right there.
Daddy, Billy!
I said there's a snake right there, dude. You see it? Where's it at? Anyway, we got this nice raspberry bush. It's still pretty small right now, but the girls like snacking on, and they're saying they are pretty sweet. These raspberries, are they sweet?
Yeah, I got it.
We got snakes, we got turtles, we got chicks. Fee, what do we not have?
Cows.
We don't have cows. Yeah. It's gone. It's gone. Nobody likes snakes or mean looking turtles. So we're just gonna stick with the baby goats right now. I don't know if we can afford any more snakes or turtles, because this is ridiculous.
Daddy, we saw something move in the berry bushes.
Yeah, I said it was a snake. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Everybody's scared now. I shouldn't have said anything. Turtle man. Turtle man. We'll let him hang out. The turtle can stay for a while. As long as he's hanging out, not biting nobody. I don't mind it. It's just craziness. We're getting these snakes. Snakes are normal. Turtles. Maybe it's from the creek. I don't know. We got the chicks. We got the raspberries. Everything is going nice. My grill burnt down. I got a new pit boss. That's good stuff. Very excited right now. Couple racks of St. Louis ribs on here right now. Almost done. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope you have a great day. See you next time on Break Free Homestead.